Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webflow AI for automated site content generation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Webflow AI for automated site content generation, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Select the project you want to enhance with AI capabilities. In the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Scroll down to the Integrations section. Locate the Webflow AI integration option. Click on the Connect button next to the Webflow AI integration. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permissions. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Return to the project dashboard. Create or select a page where you want to implement AI-generated content. In the page editor, click on the section where you want the content to appear. Open the Elements panel on the left side of the screen. Drag and drop a text block into the desired area. With the text block selected, look for the AI Content Generation option. Click on Generate Content to initiate the AI tool. Specify the type of content you want, such as blog posts, product descriptions, or landing page copy. Provide any necessary prompts or guidelines to assist the AI in content creation. After a few moments, the AI will generate suggested content based on your inputs. Review the generated content in the text block. Make any necessary edits to customize it to your liking. Once satisfied, click Save to keep the changes. Preview the page to ensure the content displays correctly. Publish your website to make the new content visible to visitors. Continue to refine and update your AI-generated content as needed. Monitor the performance of the content using analytics tools within Webflow. Regularly review and adjust your prompts for optimal results. Enjoy the efficiency of automated content generation with Webflow AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.